Like a carpool lane that has special components, striping, pavement markings, and signs, express lanes will also have special striping, pavement markings, and signs. This image shows the unique components that will be installed throughout the US 101 corridor. All these components work together to help drivers safely enter and exit the lanes, understand the tolls they will be paying, and the hours the lanes will operate. Unlike some other express lanes, drivers can get in and out of the San Mateo 101 express lanes at any point. For the entire length of the express lanes constructed on this project, there will be 8-inch wide skip stripes, which are broken white skip pavement markings indicating that the lane can be accessed or exited at any point. There will be EXPRS LANE markings painted in the lane to indicate its special status. Then there are the signs. The first in the series shown here indicates which hours of the day the tolling will be in effect. The second sign shows what types of vehicles can use the express lanes for a free or a discounted toll. The third sign will show two prices. First, the cost to drive to the next interchange, and second, the cost to drive to the end of the current toll zone, which is where the express lane and tolling will end. The fourth item is a detector that reads vehicles' transponders and then charges the toll to the users driving in the lane. Now let's look more closely at the third sign, the pricing sign, to see how tolling will work. The price on the top is the cost to drive in the express lane for any length of the orange or leftmost stretch, up to the end of toll zone 1. The bottom price is the cost to drive the entire segment to destination 3 or through all 3 zones. The top price on the second sign indicates the cost to drive in the express lane for any length of the blue stretch between destinations 1 and 2. The bottom price is the cost to drive all the way to destination 3 or through the blue and pink zones. The third sign has only a single price because its end, destination 3, is also the end of the segment. It is the cost to drive within the pink toll zone. Once a driver is in the lane, the price for them to drive within the segment does not change. When a toll-paying driver chooses to enter the express lane, the price the driver sees is what they will pay until they reach their destination or the end of the segment, displayed next to the bottom price of the sign, regardless of what the price on the sign changes to as they drive past them in the corridor. Even if the price goes up after you enter the lane, the system will lock in the price that was seen at the time of entry. Were the price to drop during the toll payer's drive within the express lane, the toll system will assign the lower price at the time the toll is paid. As an example shown here, a driver electing to drive all 3 segments will pay the $4.50 toll shown on the bottom of the first sign, not the $3 shown at the bottom of the second sign. The US 101 express lanes will be divided into a series of destination-based toll zones similar to those shown here. The price to drive within the current toll zone and the price to drive to the destination at the end of the segment will be displayed on overhead pricing signs constructed throughout the corridor. The changing of the price in real time is called dynamic tolling, where the price changes in response to existing traffic conditions within the lane to maintain a free-flowing level of traffic in all the freeway lanes, which we will talk more about later in the video. For more information and a simulation on how pricing and toll zones will work, click the link on your screen now or at the end of this clip to watch a video developed by the Metropolitan Transportation Commission for their Interstate 880 express lanes. While they are talking about a different freeway section, the video explains the same toll zones and segment logic that will be used for the San Mateo 101 express lanes. Toll collection for the express lanes will be electronic and fully automated, making use of Fastrak transponders, as is now done on the Bay Area toll bridges. To use the express lanes, you will need a transponder with a three-way switch. Old transponders without the switch will not provide users with the ability to get a free or toll discounted trip. To assess the proper toll, equipment placed throughout the corridor will read the transponder as the vehicle is driven within the express lane. This allows the toll prices to be dynamic, adjusting up or down depending upon the number of vehicles and speed within the express lane. Toll policy will determine how often the toll changes, but it is typically on other Bay Area express lanes adjusted as often as every 5 minutes to help maintain the lane at free flow speeds. Buses, 3+ carpools, and motorcycles may access the lanes for free, and clean air vehicles and HOV 2+ vehicles will get a discount. But in order to tell the tolling system what your vehicle is qualified for, either a free or reduced toll, you must have a switchable transponder from Fastrak, also known as Fastrak Flex Toll Tag. Vehicles with 3 or more people, buses and motorcycles, will need to set the switch on the face of the transponder to position 3+ to drive for free in the express lanes. Vehicles with 2 people or eligible clean air vehicles will set the switch to position 2 to get the discounted fare. And solo drivers will set the switch to position 1, indicating that they are paying the full toll. For an animated breakdown of these tolling features, click the link on your screen now or at the end of this clip. We encourage every one of you to get your Fastrak Flex tag to prepare for the opening of the San Mateo 101 express lanes. Please visit bayareafastrak.org for more information. The links to express lanes, multiple toll zone concept video, and Fastrak explanation videos are provided here.